Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to change outline color of text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then create a blank document. Then go to the insert menu and click text box and choose any text box. Then we write something in this text box. Then we click the text box and go to the format menu and click shape outline. Then change any color in this color format. We select any color. Otherwise we go to the more other colors. Then we select any colors or custom colors. Then click OK. Now we can see change the text box outline color very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.